Here, we will tell the safety of work and the material tool that will be used in the welding machine. First is welding glass. These glass are used to avoid smoke and light so that they are not harmful to the eyes. And Number 2 is safety glove. These gloves are used so they cannot hurt hands. Number 3 is welding machine. Welding machine is a machine that can knock iron into the wall series so that it can form a shape that you want or need. This machine is the most important tool to use. Number 4 is cathoda and anoda. Cathoda is used to conduct electricity to other metals, while the anoda is the electric current coming out of the electroda. Number 5 is welding iron. Number 6 is electroda. Electroda are a conductor of electricity.
Press connect the cathoda and anoda. To the welding machine, then set the temperature with the iron to be welded. Okay, then take the anoda, then clip to the electroda like this. After that, take the cathoda, then clip the welding iron to conduct electricity.
Okay, then put the cable into the socket. After that, turn on the welding machine. Okay. See, if it's green, it's a sign the engine is on, and make sure the temperature matches the thickness of the iron. Okay, after that, attach the electroda to the iron that has been clipped to the cathoda. See? So that it can be lit. After that, then just attach it to the iron that will be connected. Okay guys, that's how to turn on the welding machine. Don't forget to use the safety device first, because this is very important than anything else. That's all. Thanks guys for watching this video.
Than friends. You're not my lover, more like a brother. I know you since we were like 10. Yeah, don't mess it up, talking that shit. Only gonna push me away, that's it. When you say you love me, that made me crazy. Here we go again. Don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it out for you? F-R-I-N-D-S. Haven't I made saying? Here we go again. So don't go look at me with that look in your eye. You really ain't going nowhere without a fight. You can't be reasoned with them, don't be impolite. I've told you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6,000 times. Haven't I made it obvious? Haven't I made it clear? Want me to spell it? I feel F-R-I-N-D-A.